As you see, the last Ultimate 3D was a failure. That was Maiden Flight 3. Didn't go so well, but I'm learning. Again, this is Flyboog in my third time to try to get something like this in the air. Never flown airplanes, but I'm really kind of having a lot of fun, man. These are actually a lot of fun. They're a little lightweight. This actually weighs 206 grams without the battery, so probably like, 235. So first time trying to get this up. Flyboog on the quadcopter. Hopefully it goes better than that 3D Ultimate. I want it to go more like Little Birds. We'll see. All right.
I'm back by the playground. I lost video.
Funny thing is, when I go to take off, I forget in my brain how to get it up. You know what I mean? Like I know pull back, but I forget.
Yeah. Oh!
That was a little different ending. So on that one, I tried expert mode with long travel. I remember I said I was a beginner of my first maiden flight, so that might not have been my best option to go expert mode, but it's amazing how quick your confidence can get when you fly one circle. All of a sudden you're like, I'm an expert, homie. Looks like we got a little fragmentation.
He said just this little plastic piece, and that time he called it a big thing.
Of the agitation. Was that? What did we break? Well, guys, again, hey, thanks for coming. It ain't over. There's a little fragmentation and no nose, no piece, but we're gonna put it in the air one more time. Yep. Hold on, we're gonna do this. Show you. I should have left it in safe mode to get it up and then flipped it up, because what happened was all that travel, I was able to do 360s and shit, and that's what was happening. I was like, wait a minute, I'm not ready for that.
Yeah.
Even though. So ultimately, this is what happened. It looks like a nose broke off. And a little piece in between.
Yeah.
Not much. Let's see.
A couple of degrees of styrofoam.
Yeah, I want to try that later.
Oh shit, and this, a wheel.
That goes like that.
The wheel holder.
No, that goes like that.
Front landing wheel.
So that, no, that's an other piece.
Famous last words.
This I haven't done. Fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. Yellow eye seems to work the best here.
Flyboog.
All right, friends. 100% believe we're gonna put this in the air again. Get your chase on. Get your stuff ready. Now you're like, here we go. I'm coming back around. Ah! Did you get any of that?
When you started riding the building, I went right over the building, and I didn't stop going, and then over here, like, down the plane.
Yeah, well, and they're very wind. I'm still good. I'm just gonna fly it. I'm just gonna see what I could do. Front wheel there. Ah, oh, it's kind of tricky. That makes it kind of tricky. Forward motion.
Okay.
I'll tell you when. Hold it from right there. You won't get hurt. No moving parts. Hold on. I'm gonna get it going. All right, go.
Oh, dude, more durable front end. It didn't bust.
We're done. I had a couple of good flights over. It's learning. Maybe. Ah. Ooh. Ah. No, needs repair. Because now it needs repair. Now it needs some glue. I need to screw that up in that flap. Put some clear tape and stuff on it. Now I gotta untape it to unplug it. That's fine.